Every Friday, my granddaughter's manager asks for 100 new ads. 100! How is one young woman meant to make that many, that fast? How? A colleague reaches for Canva or Figma Buzz. But those tools only swap the text and the picture, the same layout every time. They cannot vary the colors, the fonts, or the language across a batch. Is this really all AI can do? Does anyone understand what designers actually need? So she turns to Quickads, the first platform built for both beauty and performance. It changes everything. The layout, the colors, the wording, the language. So each ad earns its own place in the auction. One, you are out into dozens of structurally distinct concepts. Layout, palette, format all change, not just the headline. 2, auto-resize to every Meta and TikTok placement. 3, brand kit learns the brand's aesthetic and the conversion patterns in the account and keeps every variation on brand. 100 ads, not one ad, 100 times. All right before lunch? In my day, that was a whole winter of knitting. She really ought to take up a hobby.